Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Yo-sha and I'm your go-to channel for all things real. So today I'm going to be sharing my experience with ordering an iPhone from the Amazon Renewed program. So I wanted to document my experience, give y'all a little backstory, and then when I get done, I'm going to be on my way to the phone store so that I can get my SIM card put in and get my iPhone working. Praying that there's nothing wrong with this phone, that it's everything that it's supposed to be, and that it's up to par. I'm really hoping so. I did research. I'm an Android user, and I basically wanted to be able to use my phone to start doing more videos with. Thank you to this channel that I saw when I was doing extensive research on iPhones. The channel, it was Travis MCP. I highly recommend that y'all check out this channel if you are looking for a phone. He reviews all kinds of phones, Androids and iPhones, and he's the person that recommended the Amazon Renewed program. So I knew I wanted an Apple product, but I didn't have to have the newest product. A lot of my friends were saying that they missed the home button, and I felt like the home button would give me kind of like what I'm used to in an Android. So then I polled my friends on Instagram and Facebook, and I asked them, well, how much space should I get on my phone? A lot of people were saying that if they had less than 64 gigs that they had to buy space. Some of them were even saying that they had to buy space with 128. So your girl was looking for 256 because I am not trying to pay for space. I'm not trying to have to buy nothing extra. You know what I'm saying? No, that's not the move. I went with an iPhone 8 Plus in space gray with 256 gigabytes of memory on the phone. I have been stalking this phone since before the SE2 came out, okay? And your girl was gonna buy it from Apple brand new, but as soon as they released the pre-release of that funky SE, they took the 8 Plus off. And I'm just like, are you serious? And it was because the 8 Plus and the SE2 were in the same price point, so they weren't gonna put them on and let them compete with each other. I even went to go look refurbished, and all the 8 Pluses are grayed out. The only phone that I could get are the X's, the XR, the X Max, the XS. I'm like, no, I don't want that. I want the 8 Plus. So I had looked on Best Buy. I was taking too long to make my decision. You know, waiting around for money to come through and ducks to be in a row. And you know how it is. When you're waiting for something and you're broke, it's there. As soon as you get the money, it's gone. That's kind of what happened to me. And then finally, last Friday, Amazon had the phone for a good price, okay? It was actually better than the price that I was going to get from Best Buy. Now, the Amazon Renewed program is basically a program where you can purchase electronics through Amazon, phones, laptops, all that kind of stuff. It is backed by a 90-day guarantee. If the phone is defective, if the phone is not what it's supposed to be, they say it's GSM unlocked, but it ain't GSM unlocked, baby, we gonna find out today. But if it ain't, I can get my money back or replacement. Your girl wants her money back, period. I'm not playing games. If there's something wrong with this, I'm getting my money back. But anyway, it's a for sure safe program. Now, it's not a certified refurbished phone by Apple, but it is a phone that goes through different checks and balances. It's supposed to be minimal scratching on the phone. It's supposed to look like it's brand new, basically. And the battery health should be at least 80%. This is not a sponsored video. This is me telling y'all my real experience. The seller that I used was Trade More, and he shipped it via FedEx. So it came in this box like this. Now, I do want to tell y'all that if you decide to go with this program, it does state that you're not going to get the initial box that the phone came in. You may not get an Apple charger, and you may not get the accessories such as the headphones and stuff like that. So this says, thank you for choosing certified refurbished. Leave us a review. Go to your orders in your Amazon account, write product review, give us your feedback. This product is backed by a 90-day warranty provided by Trade More Services, a certified renewed seller. Should this item not meet your expectations, the first step is to contact the seller, Trade More, directly at the email address below to resolve your concern. I also paid for an Assurant 2-year warranty on my phone so that if I break my phone, then I can pay a deductible for it to get fixed. So yeah, I'm going to keep this paper. It came in this Trade More box. It says the condition is excellent. This device is in excellent condition. It's thoroughly tested and it's 100% functional. Cosmetically, the screen and case of the device may have some light scratches or scuffs. We shall see. Let me be the judge of if this is excellent condition or not. The box is cute though. Okay. Y'all, I'm getting nervous and excited at the same time. Let me see. Okay. I'm opening the box. They sent it in some bubble wrap. Okay. Bubble wrap. They have a screen protector on it. Y'all, what scratches? I'm not seeing no scratches. Okay. Y'all, that looks pretty good. Okay, I'm like, what scratches, boo? Come through, Amazon. Y'all, it's really in good condition. I'm not seeing anything on it. Okay, it's cutting on. Meanwhile, let me open up this box to see if I got a charger. It came with this lighting cable. So it looks like this. Not sure if that's an Apple charger or not, like a legit one. It's white like the Apple one. But it did come with that for me to charge my phone. Oh, you know what? It actually came with the little, okay, my bad. So it came with the little tool where you could take the SIM card out, which it didn't come with a SIM card. I got to go to Metro and get that. It says, hello. This is supposed to be an unlocked GSM phone, which means that I can use it with any carriers. But yeah, like so far, I definitely recommend the Amazon Renewed experience. Like I cannot believe that my phone came and it looks like a brand new iPhone. The other thing that I want to tell you guys is that you need to do your research. Like I researched for about a month before making a decision. I looked on Amazon, I looked on Best Buy, I looked on Walmart, I looked on Apple, I read reviews, I read seller reviews, and there was one seller that kept coming up, but he had bad reviews on Walmart.com and on Amazon, and I refused to buy from him. So if you watch my video and you consider doing this, I'm just gonna tell you guys to make sure that you do your research. Like don't just buy the first phone that you see, even if it is a great deal, because there are some people out here that are out to just like take advantage. I will be back, y'all, with an update, but so far I am super excited about how this purchase came out. It is in tip-top condition. I need to get a case and all that stuff, but I'm about to head over to my local Metro PCS before they close and get all this configured. Okay, stay tuned.
Okay, my only problem with like recording was so bad. I'm not used to recording everything. Like I be doing so much in my life, but I just don't remember to record everything. Like I can't because I'm not used to it.
So what do you want your channel to be about?
It's gonna be just straight vlogs, like straight vlogs, because I literally do that all the time. I literally do that all the time.
What's your channel?
I don't have a channel yet.
Girl, I was gonna shout you out. Okay. So exciting, y'all. It is. You can kind of see it. 2532, y'all. Hey, y'all. I'm back. I made it back from Metro. I was able to successfully get it activated. I stopped by Walmart and I picked up 2 cases. Then I went to Big Lots and I picked up 2 more cases and a tempered glass. I did want to finish out the review of the Amazon Renewed program, and I will be doing an update probably after 30 days. And after 90 days, just to let y'all know what's going on with the phone. I also found out that the battery health on the phone was 85%. So I'm kind of like feeling iffy about that, but I'll let y'all know like how well my battery life is doing and stuff like that. Other than that, no complaints. I mean, it cost me $25 for them to put the SIM card in and to activate the phone for me. She did everything for me. I had to set up my Apple ID and all that good stuff. And then I basically just been downloading apps and FaceTiming friends. But I'm not done with setting everything up. But I'm trying to like get everything organized and in folders So far, I'm really happy with the purchase. I'm waiting to put the review online because I want to make sure that I like the phone. I like the way it sounds. I like the way it looks. So far, so good, but I'm still really, really excited. So I don't want to put out a review just yet, and then I don't really know. So the main things I'm going to be talking about on the next video will be the battery life of a phone that had 85% battery health, how long my battery is lasting compared to my other phone. And I'll also be talking about how well the apps run on my phone. Like, do I experience a lot of crashing with YouTube and with Facebook or with other apps? And then I'll also just talk about like the quality, like, you know, if I want to film things and take pictures, I want to see how well that quality is. That's my update on this. I highly recommend it as of today, as of the first day of me getting it. It was a very smooth process. I recommend that you give it a shot if you want to upgrade your phone, but you don't want to pay a brand new price and you're okay with it being used. When they said that this was going to come in excellent condition, you guys, it came in excellent condition. I'm super thankful, grateful that mine came out the way it did. I did what I could to find the best deal, and I'm really, really happy with the purchase so far. So let me know if you have any questions about this, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.